Welcome students. Are you curious about ACCA on-demand exams? Well, look no further because we've got you covered. As you all know that the ACCA syllabus consists of 13 papers that is split into 3 levels. First being knowledge level, then skill level, and then professional level. Business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting, and corporate and business law. It's important to note that the corporate and business law paper has 2 variants, global and English. Don't forget to communicate to the invigilator which variant you have studied for before commencing the exam. So what sets the on-demand exam apart from the traditional paper-based exam? The on-demand exam is available to take on at any time and at any location. This on-demand exam is a computer-based exam which administers instant results upon completion. Now let's talk about the best part, the results. These exams have a time limit of 2 hours. Even if you finish early, you'll get the results instantly. No waiting required. And by instantly, we mean you'll get to know right then and there whether you have passed or not. And if you get a 50 or higher, congrats, you have passed. Your progress will be reflected in your MyACCA account within a few days. And who knows where you'll be headed next. All we know is, with this on-demand exams, you will get the freedom to learn, grow and succeed on your own terms. Get comfortable with the exam interface beforehand. Simply search for CT specimen exam along with the subject name on Google in order to practice using a similar interface to the real thing. But don't stop there. I recommend taking the specimen exams available on the ACCA site at least a day before your booked exam. This will help you boost your confidence and achieve the best possible results. So go ahead, book your exams. We can't wait to see what you'll achieve.